This demo will examine the RAMS account management system. Work queues and saved queries will create lists of accounts based on filters. However, the main account list shows all accounts that can be viewed by this user's access rights. If they wish to find a specific user, they can apply a search. In this case, we're going to search for a specific user. Once we have found the account we wish to look at, we can double-click on the row to open up the account detail. This particular list shows some information to the account, but not all of the information. If we double-click, we open up the account management view. There is a menu on the left that provides various options to look at additional information about the account. The main account page includes a summary of the information about the account, from account information, patient, guarantor, status, balance, insurance, and follow-up. All of the data shown on this page can be edited on this page. For example, we may look at this page and find that the secondary insurance is incorrect. It is shown as self-pay, but it may be something different. So we can go down into this particular field and type in a different insurance code. And we'll bring up a list of insurance codes that fit the letters that we have typed into this field. In this case, we have one particular insurance shown. We can select that and save the record. This will change the secondary insurance information. Also on this screen, we can switch the primary into secondary by clicking on small arrows. We can make the secondary primary, or we can make the primary secondary. This will immediately save this data into the record. From this particular screen, we can also open up the patient and guarantor information. This shows detailed information about the patient and the guarantor. On this particular page, as shown on many other pages, some of the fields will have some information in it, in this case slightly grayed out. This is what is called a watermark. This shows the user the format of the data they should enter into the field. If they start typing into the field, the formatting is all automatically applied, so the user does not have to add any special formatting and can just type in the data. Also, most fields have a validation process. If you type in information here, a phone number of all fives is invalid. When they save the record, it will show an error indicating the patient work phone number is not valid. They can either change this number or they can cancel the save. It also brings up a message before it's canceled. From this particular area, we can open up additional tabs. For example, we can look at the insurance information. It opens up on the primary insurance, which is required on all accounts, and it brings up information known about this particular insurance. Or we can look at the secondary insurance, and it will bring up information about the secondary insurance. We can add additional information here, various dates, other information about the insurance. The actual insurance used for primary and secondary can only be entered on the main account screen as shown previously. We also can look at what insurance companies are in the system by clicking on this button. It brings up a list of all the insurance companies in the system, and we can search for the various insurance companies by a variety of criteria. One of the other options is field visits. We can open up a fields visits tab. This shows all the visits that were made for this particular account. This particular record shows 2 field visits were created. If we double click on a row again, we can open up the details of this particular visit. It shows the requested date, who it's assigned to, the reason, details, and so on. Also from this screen, a field visit request form can be printed. This can be printed and taken in hard copy form along on the visit to fill in various information. That information then can be entered into the field visit record upon return.